Today, our final 6 MUAs are about to face their toughest challenge to date.
Award-winning musical Kinky Boots tells the story of a band of shoemaking drag queens known as the Angels. For today's professional brief, those Angels are getting a new makeup team.
Morning! Morning! I am so excited. You ready?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Today, you've been booked to make up the 6 Angels for the show. Here are your briefs.
Each Angel has their own unique look, which the MUAs need to replicate.
It's important that the makeup looks exactly the same. You have 1 hour before the actors need to be ready.
You are running to the theatre's time frame, so time is tight.
Later on, there's going to be an audience there, so you have to bang it out. Because this is a big one, we thought Kate might need a bit of help to keep you on time, so we've brought in an extra special guest who might know a thing or two about this type of makeup. Okay?
Entering stage left is one of the biggest queens in drag theatre today.
Bam! Hi, everyone. Hi. This is Kimchi.
Hello, how are you?
With the Angels spending up to 30 hours a week in makeup,
I've got Louis.
That's me.
You're gonna come and take a seat?
Yeah, of course.
they know exactly how it should look.
When did you get this?
Today.
So have you done drag makeup before?
I've never really done drag makeup before. I've tried it once or twice.
If the MUAs fail to get it right in the next hour, they'll know.
Theatre makeup, the art behind it is being able to replicate the design rather than going off on your own creative tangent. You have to be able to repetitively create the same look.
The first stage in getting that look right is smoothing down the actor's heavy male eyebrows using a glue stick.
So far, so good, which makes me feel a little bit like I might actually get finished within an hour.
I'm hoping I can get it done. It's just such a short amount of time when you're not used to that sort of makeup.
When I first started, I loved it, and I was used to do drag all the time. It got to the point where I was doing it 3, 4, 5, 6 times a week.
Sharing Ellis's dressing room is Steph. With experience in amateur theatre makeup, Steph should also find today's task manageable.
You've got a lovely bone structure, darling.
With brows glued down, she's moved on to the second stage of the look, caking the face in a thick layer of powder and foundation, a technique known as baking.
I sweat so much, so I really cake it on. If you think there's enough or too much, you need to add some more.
I want to see a makeup that sets so tight that it can last through the entire show, even 2 shows. Because one of the reasons why drag makeup is so heavy is performers sweat. The makeup has to stay on. Even if they touch their face, it shouldn't move.
Across the hall, drag makeup first-timers Nikki and Belinda have also covered the brows. But with the halfway mark approaching, the Angels are getting concerned.
Your brow coverage is really good.
Thank you. Incredible, thank you.
Now we just gotta get the brows on there. We're running out of time.
I know, I've just got to get the brows on and do the eyes.
Brows,
Still
eyes,
powder.
lips, lashes.
I know,
No
I know.
pressure.
20 minutes to go, all the MUAs have finally moved on to eye makeup.
Kate, are you happy?
There was a lot to be improved. The audience has to be able to see the makeup. You have to have the same impact from the 3rd row to the back.
I just want them to feel more confident. I can tell that they're very talented, but just be bolder with your strokes. A lot of them were shaking their hands because they're so nervous. Just go for it. Do you think you'll be able to finish it in time? Maybe just. No pressure. It's only the biggest competition. The best opportunity of your lifetime.
With showtime approaching, the MUAs now have just 5 minutes left. Even Ellis is feeling the heat.
I'm sweating like a bitch.
Right, you've had enough time. I need to get these guys into their wigs.
Guys, I'm ever so sorry. That's us done now. You're going to have to stop.
I didn't get it all finished, so I literally had like 40% of the lip uncovered. I've tried my best. Whatever happens, happens.
The models cannot go on the stage like this. I'm gonna have to take them to Kate and she's gonna finish their makeup. Angels, shall we?
Yeah.
While the show must go on for the Angels, the MUAs have to wait until tomorrow to find out if any of their looks made it on stage.